What's the meaning of behindhand? Behindhand. Behindhand.
Behindhand. Behindhand. Behindhand is an adjective that describes something or someone that is overdue, late or slow in completing a task or meeting a deadline. It implies a sense of being behind schedule or not caught up with the demands of a particular situation. For instance, if a student turns in their assignment after the due date, we could say they are behindhand. Similarly, if a company fails to meet its production targets, it can be described as falling behindhand on its goals or objectives. The term suggests a degree of inefficiency or unpreparedness, and often carries negative connotations of being careless or negligent.